Okay, next will be how many sample size. Okay, so how can we determine or how can we estimate the population proportion in terms of their sample size? So to determine the sample, okay, how many samples in the population proportion, that would be N is equal to P hot multiplied by Q hot multiplied by Z alpha over 2 over the margin of error raised to 2. Okay, so in determining the how many samples in the population proportion, okay, to determine the samples in the population proportion, that would be N is equal to P hot multiplied by Q hot multiplied by Z alpha over 2 over the margin of error, okay, raised to 2. If P hot is unknown, use P hot equals 0.05. Okay, if P hot is unknown, meaning it's not given, so use P hot is equal to 0.5. Okay, so for example, number 1, the project in business math needs to use a market survey. One group wanted to know the proportion of households who like to use brand X detergent. The group base is on a previous survey that showed that 42% like to use detergent X. The group wants to be a 95% accurate with a margin error of 0.02. What is the size will meet this condition? So we're talking about sample size. So that will be P hot multiplied by Q hot multiplied by Z alpha over 2 over E raised to 2. So your P hot here, that will be 0.42, and then your Q hot, which is 1 minus 0.42, that will be 0.58. So what is your Z alpha over 2? So Z alpha over 2, since the given is 95%, so your alpha will be 1 minus 0.95. Okay, so what is 1 minus 0.95? So 1 minus 0.95, that will be 0.05. So that's your alpha. So your Z alpha over 2 will be Z 0.05 divided by 2. So that will be 0.025. So using the table, .025, that is 1.96. So Z 0.025, that will be 1.96. Okay, so your sample size will be 0.42 multiplied by 0.58 multiplied by 1.96 divided by, what is your E? Margin of error. According to the problem, that is 0.02 raised to 2. So that will be equal to 2,339.53. So round up. Okay, if you're talking about, if you're getting the sample size, it should be round up. So therefore, that will be 2,340. Okay, 2,340. So that's the sample size, 2,340. That's it. That's all. Thank you.